Okay, looking at question 12. Excuse you. What did I just get through saying, sweetheart?
Yes. Oh, number 12.
If it's on the review, then it's probably going to be on the
Yes.
So, you've seen this problem before. What do I need to do? Draw a river. Now what?
And then plus
Excuse me. He asked if he could help.
-13 to a positive 13 on both sides.
Add 13 to both sides. Keep going. -35. Good. And then what's on the left side? 5/7 x equals -35. I know, but one person's doing it, honey, but thank you. Now what? I got to do something before I multiply. Flip it, then multiply. Good. Times 7/5 times 7/5. And then x is, why did I get rid of these? Because they're the same, they're reciprocal, so they cancel out. So then I have -35. Front row, you better be paying attention. Times 7 over 5. And remember, just like I did in that other problem, where was that at? Or was that last period? Nope, it was right here. 5 times 2 over 3. And then over here, 10 times 200 over 3 again. So then I'm going to do what? What am I multiplying? 7 times 35 over what? -35 times 7 over 5. Divide. 35 divided by 5. 7. Cross it out. I have -7 now. Times 7 equals what? Good. There's my answer. What do you have to do to the fraction? Flip, then what? No. Well, keep, change, flip is technically the operation. So what am I doing when I'm changing? Changing to what? I'm changing the division to what? To multiplication. Flip, then multiply. Keep, change, flip. I'm flipping and then multiplying. When you divide by a fraction, you are flipping it, then multiplying it. Why did I cross this out right here? Because I divided right here. This is -35. Divided by 5 times 7. I'm just rewriting this a different way. What? I can, and I'm still going to get -30, -49. Watch, 35. Stop talking. Five and a 25. No, this is not 255. No. 7 times 5 is 5. Carry the 3. This is 21 plus 3. This is 24. 245. Divided by 5. 5 and a 24 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 45. 5 and a 45 is 9. I'm still getting the same thing. Here, I am simplifying. I'm doing the division because this is easy. This is -35 times 7 over 5. These can cancel out, and I'll be left with -7 times 7 is -49. Done. Okay. Write an equation for the table below. This is a place where I need a what? What were your favorite 3 letters in the chart on the last unit? Yes. Y'all are so funny. Keep, change, flip. Letters, not words.
KFC.
TPV. So how do I get from 2 to 3 and 3 to 8?
5 and plus 5 plus 5 plus 5.
Plus 5 where? Top or bottom?
Bottom and plus 1 and plus 1 on top.
Okay, you're not focused. Okay, what does this plus 1 and plus 5 mean?
Plus 1 and plus 5. Wait, what? Oh, the pattern.
Okay, these are the pattern, and what do I have to do with the pattern?
Oh, 5 over 1.
Good. Delta A. Delta who? Okay, what does the 5 mean? Not X over 1. Guys, okay, stop talking and pay attention. Delta what? Y'all forgot what we said? Y and delta what?
X.
Thank you. When I tell y'all this stuff is not going anywhere, I mean it. So don't just forget about it after we've taken the test. What is the delta Y? 5, because this is the Y row and this is the X row. 5 over 1 is what?
5.
Then what do I do with this 5? Nope.
Y equals. Add it plus 1.
Nope.
Oh.
Multiply it by what? Good.
1. 5. 3.
There's no 1 up there.
From the X.
Multiply it by what?
The X.
What X?
2.
And what other X? What other X?
3.
And what other X?
4.
And what other X? And what other X?
6.
So, times 5, times 5, times 5.
Times 5 and times 5.
Now what? Pay attention.
After you multiply all of them 5, add them all together.
No. What do I get here?
10.
But what am I trying to get?
3.
So what do I have to do?
5.
Minus 7. Good. Minus 7. What do I get here?
15.
How do I get to 8?
Minus 7.
What do I do here?
20.
And how do I get to 13?
Minus 7.
And then what do I do here?
25. Minus
Then-
7.
So what's the pattern?
25 minus 7.
What am I doing first?
Minus. Times 5 minus 7. Multiply, then you. Times 5, then minus 7. Time out.
So, I needed an mx plus b form, and then I am multiplying by what? 5? No. This is the multiplication. I'm adding b. Multiplying by 5, then do what?
Minus 7.
Minus 7. Say it again. What, as an equation, y equals? Not 5 minus 7.
5x.
5x minus 7. Okay. There are 48 cookies at Regan's party. 25% of the cookies are chocolate chip. 2/3 of the cookies are sugar. What do I have to do here?
Change 2/3 to a percent.
Okay. What is it going to be as a fraction? How much? Yes, which simplifies to what? To what? 1/4. 1/4 of the cookies are chocolate chip. What are the cookies?
Chocolate chip.
No.
48 cookies.
48 cookies. One-fourth of 48 is chocolate chip. What do I need to write here?
2/3.
2/3 of what?
48.
48 is what?
Sugar.
Sugar. Okay, how do I do this? Hey, put my signs back.
You wanna figure out 2/3 as a percent?
No.
Oh, always 2/3. Oh, make a proportion.
No.
The ratio.
This is a unit 1 question. This question has also been on all of your tests. Multiply, then add them. What am I multiplying?
1/4 and 2/3.
By what?
48.
Thank you. So what do I do first? 1/4. No, I'm not multiplying the fractions by each other.
48.
Of 48. And then 2/3 of 48. This will give me the sugar cookies. This will give me the chocolate chip. Then I add them, but what am I looking for?
The peanut butter cookies.
So how will I find peanut butter once I add them? Subtract from what?
48.
48 minus chocolate chip plus sugar gives me my answer. This will be peanut butter
Cookies.
cookies.
What?
Okay, get ready to go. Says that, can y'all see?
Yeah.
Number 10 says that Barbara paid $3.60 for 4 muffins. What have they given me? What is that? What is it? Huh? It's what she paid, and it's a what? Starts with an R. Look at the beginning. The rates. Good. Rate or ratio. At this rate, oh, it's right there. Bam. What will 6 muffins cost? So what do I need to make?
Multiply by 2.
What's that called? Not a proportion.
A portion.
What goes in my proportion? I want the things.
Oh, wait.
360 what? Dollars?
And muffins.
Yes, and muffins. You have to say dollars because somebody did this morning on question number 4. When you make your proportion and you have kilograms and pounds, they put 1 kilogram is 8.5 kilograms. That's wrong. This should be, oh, this was correct. I'm sorry. They put the 8.5 down here. That's what they did. I can't even make the mistake because I know how to do it the right way. So they put that 1 kilogram is 8.5 pounds instead of 2.2 pounds. This is my conversion factor right here. So this is going to give me the wrong answer. So I don't want to do that. I need to know what I'm putting where. Huh? Is there another paper back there? Is there notebook paper on the back table?
Yes.
Okay, it's back there underneath the tissue. All right, so I've got dollars, listen, and muffins. These are my units. These are my units. Okay, stay focused. So, how many dollars and how many muffins go in one ratio? $3.60. And how many muffins? 4. And then do they give me more dollars or more muffins?
More muffins.
How many muffins?
6.
So I put the 6 up here and I put the X here. And then how do I solve? Cross multiply and then divide. Good. So X